Hi guys, so today in this video I will show you what the P1 error code means on the Midea portable air conditioner and the exact steps that you can take in order to clear it. Now in many cases the fix only takes a few minutes of yours and it doesn't require any of the replacement parts. So without further delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to switch the air conditioner off and then you need to move to the back of the unit. Now here the P1 code usually appears when the system detects that the internal water reservoir has reached its limit or can't drain correctly. So before doing anything else, you need to prepare the shallow tray just like so, or the container, because water may come out as soon as you open the drain. Now you need to simply locate the lower drain plug near the bottom rear of the unit. Then you just have to simply remove the cap carefully and allow the water to drain completely. Now, if the flow slows down quickly, you just have to gently tilt the unit backward in order to help remove any of the water remaining in the base pan. Now, if you are using continuous drainage, you can also check the drain hose from the end to end. And once you have done that, you just have to unplug the unit and switch off the power, and you need to leave it for about 5 minutes. Then restore the power and restart the air conditioner. So this allows the control board to recognize that the water has been removed and it is going to clear the P1 lockouts. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.